Hello, everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Let's do another knot. This is the Secret Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. We're going to come over, we're going to put in a dimple, bring it over to the center, come over to the top like this, and then I'm going to leave this part hanging over like this and then open it up like this. I'm going to do my first wreath. Come down, over like that. So this is what we have right here. Come around. Wreath. Cross like this. I'm just gonna finish it up like this, and then there you have it. Let me put this collar down. There you have the Secret Wreath. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.